My name is Prince Bafweji. I'm the CEO of Mopless Company Limited. For this year's summer camp, I'm the principal facilitator here. I started my company in 2018 when I joined as a Mastercard scholar. That was my first summer. So after the skill training, just like a session like this, I decided to go back to my village and also gather some women, train them in the soap making, and equip them with the tools and the materials that we can start. So we started by training 25 women. I employed 6. We started a venture with them. At first, we were called Wings to Fly Enterprise, a name that is coined from our mission of trying to help the women fly out of poverty. And later, we got support from the Mastercard through the Scholars Entrepreneurship Fund to expand our operations, and then we rebranded to become Mopless Company Limited. This year, we are focusing on 6 products. We are looking at bar soaps, we are looking at medicated soaps, carbolic soaps, gel and liquid soap, with materials that the participants can get around them in their various villages. And we are also targeting the fact that they might also go back to their village and do the same thing that we did in 2018 by supporting the women there. So we are looking at products that sells within the villages and its environment, and the products that they can get the raw materials easily. Response has been very positive. This is the 4th year we are doing this, and so far so good. They are responding to the safety principles that they have to adhere to. They are also responding to knowing the raw materials. So far, we've produced liquid soap, we've done shower gel, we've done some of the bar soaps, and it has been a fun activity. My suggestion would also be on guiding them with the entrepreneurship skill parts so that they are able to enterprise the skill that they are learning from the summer camp. And also the support that we got from the foundation in order to expand our operation as a company too. I would suggest those supports are also made available to these ones so that those who want to enterprise the skill will have the necessary resources to be able to expand their operation. As someone who has benefited from a skill training like this, I extend my deepest appreciation to the foundation for focusing on scaling the scholars up so that they will become more employable or more entrepreneurial in their adventure. Thank you, Mastercard Foundation, and long live Mastercard KNUST.
My name is Bernice Afi Agbanyo, a cohort 8 Mastercard scholar and reading B.Ed education in KNUST. Today I'm learning about soap making, and then our facilitator is from the Mopless company, and then we are into bar soap, liquid soap and shower gel. In fact, this project is really helping. Mastercard is really doing well for organizing this entrepreneurship training for we scholars, because some of us are using this project as our community engagement project. And me, for instance, I'm using this soap making to do my project in my community and training the widows and then the single parents in soap production, and this is really helping them. Last year I learned the soap production, but this year, since they are adding the shower gel and then the liquid soap, I've intended to still continue with the soap production. I urge every scholar to take this seriously, and then everyone around should help us appreciate Mastercard.